What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix the no data received from your website on Google Analytics. First thing is go to Google Analytics where you'll find this issue right here and click into this button, get tagging instructions. Right here you're gonna be able to see all the website. You have all iOS. You can install with WordPress or install manually. I recommend that you install with WordPress. Click on Next. Install the Tag Assistant Chrome extension. Add extension. Get started setting up conversions measures. Setup. Loading tag installation flow. You must be logged in into your WordPress website, of course. Walk me through or do yourself. I recommend that you walk me through. Sitekit by Google. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate button. This is a free plugin by Google, okay, so nothing to worry. Set up Sitekit. Connect Google Analytics as part of setup. Sign in with Google. Now select your Google account. Now select the permissions. Set up Google Analytics. Click on Next. Click on Complete Setup. Congratulations on completing the setup for Analytics. Keep your site up to date. You can enable auto updates, okay? And you can go to Settings. Right here you have a couple of Google tools that is useful for you, but things is already connected, okay? You have the connection of all the services. Let's test the installation now. Installed and verified. Let's check things on Google Analytics. Congratulations, Google Tag is already installed. Done. And it's all good and set up. Now, all we have to do is wait for 2 days in order to let Google collect data and show the data on Analytics. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.